Today I'm going to teach you how to open a support ticket on LinkedIn. Whether you're experiencing technical issues, need help with your account, or have questions about LinkedIn's features, knowing how to reach their support team directly can save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to your profile settings. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. This menu is your gateway to accessing settings, preferences, and support features. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Help. This option will take you to LinkedIn's Help Center, where you can browse through common questions and troubleshooting guides. However, since we're looking to create a support ticket directly, we'll need to dig a little deeper. Now that you're in the Help section, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find an option that says Contact Us. Click on it to proceed to the support ticket creation page. This is where you'll be able to communicate your issue directly to LinkedIn's support team. On the next screen, click on Create a Support Ticket. This will open up a form where you can specify the nature of your problem. LinkedIn offers several predefined categories to help route your ticket to the right department. You can select one of the given categories that best matches your issue, or if none of them fit, simply click Other. Next, you'll need to input your problem in the text field provided. Be as clear and detailed as possible about what issue you're experiencing. Once you've typed out your problem, hit the Enter key to confirm your input. Now scroll down and you'll see another button labeled Create a Support Ticket. Click on it to move forward. At this point, LinkedIn will ask for some additional information to better understand and address your concern. First, input your alternate email address. This is important because LinkedIn might use this email to follow up with you if there are any issues accessing your primary account. Then select the issue type from the drop-down menu that most closely describes your problem. You'll then be asked whether this is related to Premium All-in-One. Simply answer yes or no based on your situation. This helps LinkedIn determine if your issue involves their premium services or general account features. Next, answer the question in which app or site. This could be LinkedIn's website, mobile app, or any other LinkedIn platform where you encountered the issue. Following that, specify on what device you experienced the problem, whether it's a desktop, mobile phone, or tablet. Now comes the most important part. Input your question or describe your issue in detail. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for LinkedIn's support team to assist you. If you have any screenshots or files that might help explain your issue, you can also add an attachment at this stage. Once you've filled out all the required fields and reviewed your information, click Submit. Your support ticket will be sent to LinkedIn's team and they'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.